Hey, hey, everybody. How's it going? I hope everybody's doing awesome. Happy Monday. Oh my gosh. Y'all, first of all, let me ask y'all, what are y'all doing today? And then I'll tell you what I'm doing. I'm doing laundry, cleaning the house, and I think I've got ADHD, whatever it is, because I don't ever do anything for long, so I'm hoping to get a couple of projects, couple of things like laundry done or whatever. So therefore, I'm still in my house coat, my pajamas, no makeup, and I don't think I brushed my hair. Anyway, what I want to hop on here and tell y'all is that the new Black Friday deals are popping. They started, so if you want to see everything that's on special, and look, I'm so sorry that I'm a mess, but I'll be back on later with a project, and I'll have myself together by then. But anyway, I'm gonna tell y'all two things that I think are gonna sell out really quick. They are our heat transfer sublimation items. And the 8.5 by 11, they come in a 2-pack. And I'm gonna be honest, I went ahead and ordered me some more. But these are the heat transfers, and you just basically iron on the design. And the design needs to be put on a majority polyester item. And aren't these cute? I'm gonna do one of these for each of the kids and the girls. And this is what it looks like. This is one of the other sublimation designs. And we have these totes in the shop. So type Friday if y'all want to see everything. But basically, you take your heat press or iron and iron the design on. And I think this would be really cute on a tote also. But like I said, I'm gonna put ours on shirts. Then here's the other one, and then you'll see why I'm saying these are gonna go quick. Let me see how much they are. I'm sorry. And y'all, if you hear beeping, Barry's going to get some 9-volt batteries because our smoke detector, whatever it is, if it's smoke or whatever, is going off. So ignore the beep. Okay, this one is called, what is it called? Pray on It Heat Transfer. And this one, because it's larger, it's 1 per package. And the words look backwards, but when you iron it on, it brightens up and it's permanent. So, in my opinion, because these are what I grabbed a lot more of, are these iron-on transfers. It says, pray on it, pray over it. Oh, wait, okay. Pray on it, pray over it, pray through it. And then it's got these smaller ones, like you could put these on your sleeve, put this on a tote, put this on anything. And y'all, each one of these comes with the instructions on the package. So if you haven't seen my videos on how to do them, you can totally just read the heat transfer instructions. Then, if you do a 50 US order or a 65, let me make sure, 65 Canadian order. Did y'all know we ship to Canada? You get these keychains. A lot of people hang these on their backpacks. So you get a set of sublimation. There's 4 in here. Sublimation. And then you get the jump ring. I think that's what that's called. These will make great gifts. You get this free with a $50 order. So it's not every 50, but it's like if you do a $50 order today, you're going to get them. If you do a $50 order tomorrow, you're going to get them. And look, this is so funny. It says, don't make me turn this car around. Mama has said that to us so many times. Get in, loser. The greatest car. Anyway, so many fun things. Slow down. You're doing fine. And this is like 2 sheets. 2 sheets. And then 4 of these with this, free with $50 orders. Let me get over here and see if y'all are saying anything. Y'all, the keyword, like I said, is Friday, and I'm going to send you a link that you click on for the specials. Are y'all saying anything? Is anybody going to come help me clean my house? And is anybody going to come help me clean and do laundry today? Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to do these. I placed another order so I could get another set because I think these would be so cute, like on gift bags for Christmas. And like I said, Locke and Stella, like they can't drive. I mean, they probably think they can, but they can't drive, so they'll put these on their backpack. Then we also have fabric markers. These are a doorbuster. Great price. Love the doorbusters. So like, for instance, if you do the snowman and you want to color in his scarf, you could use these to color in. So ink your project and then use these to color in. They are fabric markers. And all E-size. Y'all might have saw this when you popped on. This is our E-size. It's 18 by 24. This transfer, all of this size transfers are 50% off. Find time to make some Christmas decor. So, type the word Friday, go check everything out. Come back over here and tell me what you grabbed. I'm so excited. So excited. Anyway, I've already grabbed me some stuff, and in my mind I'm thinking I need some other stuff. And don't forget about the club. If you're not in the club, you can get the November club all of November. Then once November's gone, it's gone. So if you pop any questions y'all have, I got to get back to my laundry. Be glad when Barry gets back with that 9-volt battery to get that smoke detector quieted down and happy. But remember, get your order to 50 to get your freebie. Whoop. And these are awesome. And you just use your iron and the transfers, heat transfers. And the instructions are on the package. You use a heat press. These are the ones that are going to go faster than I can go make me a cup of coffee. So get them while they're available. I will see y'all later. I got to get myself together. I got some team gifts to send out. Got this laundry to do. And usually when I start out in the mornings, I can get more done. But if I like stop in the middle of something, then I'm done. I go on to the next thing. Are y'all like that? All right, friends. Love you guys, and I'll see you later. Thanks for watching. And remember, type Friday. I'll send you a message.